Have you ever a smartphone that folds and fits right into your pocket? That could be your next tech marvel. And well, it's not just one or two, but 3 foldable smartphones are trending at the top in America. And we'll also find out what makes each of these 3 so special, and which one is the most powerful for you. Let's get started. 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Design and display: 8-inch QXGA plus AMOLED inner screen, 6.5-inch AMOLED cover display, both with 120Hz refresh rate. Camera: impressive 200MP main camera, along with telephoto and ultra-wide lenses. Performance: Snapdragon 8 Elite, Android 16 with One UI 8, and Galaxy AI features like generative edit. Slim and premium build: 4.2mm unfolded, lightweight, and pocket-friendly design. Verdict: top-notch in flagship camera, design, and AI features. 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Unique form factor: clamshell shape that fits perfectly in your pocket. Cover screen and DeX: large 4.1-inch flex window display and Samsung DeX support make it a multitasking master. Battery and AI: improved battery life, combined experience of Gemini Live and Galaxy AI. Motorola Razr Ultra 2025. Design and cover display: stunning panel design, large outer display, a perfect blend of style and strength. Performance: Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, Moto AI tools included, and a flagship-level flip experience. Battery life: when it comes to battery, this has the best endurance on the list, according to Tom's Guide battery test. So friends, here are the top 3 foldable phones trending in America. Would you choose the Galaxy Z Fold 7 for its superior camera and slim design? Or the Galaxy Z Flip 7 for its portability and DeX capabilities? Or perhaps the Moto Razr Ultra for its battery power and AI toolset? Tell me your choice in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so that future-friendly tech reviews keep coming your way.